Hi, this is HD Moto Mark, and I'm here with a quick installation video of a Benlari LED kit for my Harley-Davidson Iron 883. I purchased the kit off Amazon for roughly $45. The package came with some extra pieces in case you're adapting them to non-2-inch signals. The kit includes 2 front LED sets, 2 rear sets, and 4 smoked lenses. Here's a before shot with the standard bulbs. You just pop off the lenses with a screwdriver, and then you can twist out the bulbs. This is a look at the light cluster. It has 81 LEDs in each unit. Some directions we have to read. The smoke lens cover replaces the amber and red stock lenses. You just plug in and twist the light cluster, then coil up the wire a little bit, peel off the packaging for the smoke lens cover, and pop it in. I was doing this with one hand, so it was a little bit tricky. You have white running lights which change to yellow flashes when you activate the directional. You can really see the difference between the LEDs and the stock headlight, which I'm also going to upgrade. Here's a look at the rear signals with the smoke lens cover. Here's the rear signal flashing. The light has a halo around the edge and then flashes in the middle. They also act as brake lights.